Smoked paprika is the darling of the spice aisle these days, and for good reason. Its earthy, smoky flavor adds incredible depth to nearly any dish. And today, Jack is going to tell us if brand really matters here.
Oh, Julia, brand certainly matters, and in this case, it really does. I love smoked paprika. It's got so much flavor, and as you might take from the name, the difference between regular paprika and smoked paprika is that they use smoke in the drying process. Traditionally, paprika, and it is really just a chili pepper, is dried outdoors. It was done in the sun, now it's done in factories. Smoked paprika is dried over an oak fire, up to 15 days in Spain.
That's a while.
Yeah, it gives a lot of smoke flavor. So dig in. This is homemade mayonnaise with an awful lot of smoked paprika.
A bit of a warning.
Yeah. Now, it's not going to be spicy. There are 3 kinds of smoked paprika. It can be labeled sweet, bittersweet, or hot. These are all sweet. So what you're really looking for is a lot of smoke flavor. You're going to be using a much smaller amount when you're putting it on an egg dish, in a soup, a spice rub. And so you really want that flavor, because otherwise, if it doesn't have the smoke, you may as well just be using regular paprika. Secondary, there should be a little fruitiness in the way that you get that sort of fruitiness in really good dried chilies. There should be a little bit of fruitiness in this, almost like raisins. We found that the brands that were from Spain generally had a lot of smoke flavor. And the ones with 15 days of smoking over oak fire were really smoky. Some of the brands that are made here in the US, frankly, were disappointing. They were very, very mild. They were similar to regular paprika. Great color, not so great on the flavor department. So these are, I assume, not that difficult to taste, because we found...
And they're tasty.
They're delicious, and they're really even much better when you put them in something you want to eat, although you seem to be enjoying the mayonnaise.
I'm loving this.
Any impressions about the 3 samples here?
Yes, this one is so bland. Could barely get any smoke. There's very little fruitiness. Tasted like just regular paprika.
Okay.
This guy had more smoke flavor and was fruity, but he was nowhere near as fruity and flavorful as this first guy. Most smoke flavor, a good fruity background, had a lot more going on than this guy, who was pretty good. This guy takes the cake.
All right, you are very sure about your opinions here.
I am, actually.
Let's see how you did against the tasting panel.
All right, so we start with a loser? McCormick.
McCormick, our tasting panel did not like this for the same reason. They said, where is the smoke? There's actually a McCormick gourmet smoked paprika that we did in a pre-tasting, also bland. So neither McCormick product has enough smoke flavor for either you or the tasting panel.
All right, next up, this guy was my runner-up.
This was also the runner-up for the tasting panel. This is from Spain. It's DOP, so it comes from a region called La Vera, which is in western Spain. It's really a delicious paprika, but it was not our winner.
And this one, which, you know, really was so different than these others.
So this is Simply Organic. Now, this comes from Spain, despite the name. It is smoked in Spain, bottled in Spain, but sold here in the US. It's delicious. Has great flavor, makes anything taste better.
Yeah, and this brand you can find at supermarkets. I mean, I see this brand around a lot.
Easily found, inexpensive, it's delicious.
So there you have it. When buying smoked paprika, look for the brand Simply Organic. Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.